Alright, so let's learn. Alright, so in trading, let's try it. You're going to need two websites or two apps. Yeah. One, you're going to need the tradingview.com. I'm going to teach TradingView today, and I'm going to teach Forex Factory today. How many fundamental traders are here? Fundamental, you trade fundamentals. I'm a fundamental trader, so I want to, kind of go into fundamentals here. So we are going to do two things, technicals and fundamentals. I'm going to explain them. Now, when we talk about technicals, right, we are basically using the TradingView platform. Are we good? Are we good? Project TradingView for me. Quickly. I know you are there. So two types, right? The technical trader and the fundamental trader. I think Keman did a lot of that. COD did a lot. Yasuka did a lot of that, and Future also said a lot about what trading is, what investing is. You guys know about short-term, long-term, and all those stuff, right? We're good with that. So let's go into the deep part, the deeper part. So we start with TradingView. So this is TradingView. Just search tradingview.com. That's what I need. Okay, so that is TradingView. This is how it looks. Let me orient you into TradingView. And I'm going to teach you some little tricks that you need, especially if you don't know anything about trading. So the first app or the first website you're going to need in trading is TradingView. Are we there? Good. Now, come to, I think, products. Go to products. Who is controlling it? Just give me the chart view. Just give me the chart view. Open US32 or Bitcoin. Bitcoin is moving now, yeah? Give me Bitcoin. Let's share some signals now. Give me Bitcoin. Just open any chart, be it Bitcoin, US30. Just okay, we'll open US30. Let's learn US30 today. It makes sense. Alright, listen, so this is the TradingView chart, right? This is TradingView. When you get to TradingView, you can now go to markets. You first need to register an account. You see get started there at the right top. Do you guys see the screen? Good. Now we see get started. You can now start by registering with your email. Everyone needs to have an account. Without an account, you wouldn't have a nice trading experience. Are we good? Alright, so you can register now. Get started. Now, when you get started, this is what you're going to see, right? But let me see the candles. I want the candles. I want to see the candles and the whole chart. Open it from the 1 week time frame. Alright, good. I like it this way. Alright, cool. Now, get there. Just go there. Just go there to the time frames. Alright, just go there to the time frames. Alright, now this is technical analysis. When I say technical analysis, we are basically using the candles. Whatever you guys see there, you see a red and green something. I'm going to say stick. Who sees it? That is what we call candlestick. Are we good? Or missing me as a giveaway. So that is what we call candlestick, right? Now, this is what we traders use as an interpretation of what is going around the globe. So what is going around the globe? It could be news from, who heard about the news from Russia, those war stuff? It affected the candles. So let's say for example, let's say the US president dies today. It has an effect on these candles. So what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is fundamentals have effect on these candles. What is happening around the world have effect on what? These candles. So if the economy is bad in a certain country, it affects these candles in a bad way. I guys getting the point? So how do we now interpret that in trading? We interpret that as fundamentals and technicals. So fundamentals is basically what is going around the globe. That is what the economical situation was. That you guys have the news, basically the news. So news is what we call fundamentals. Let's say fundamentals. Oh, I didn't come with them. Who said it? Okay.
I said it first.
And what you guys see here is what we call technicals. Are we good? So let's start with technicals before we go to fundamentals. Can we? Shall we?
Yes.
All right. Now, there are a lot of pairs in trading, right? There's Forex, there's stocks, there's cryptocurrencies, there's synthetics, there's futures, there's all those stuff. Now let me explain it this way. When we talk about cryptocurrencies, we are just using one thing, Bitcoin. I know most people know Bitcoin. We just use the movement of Bitcoin. Now, Futurists said a lot about Bitcoin, but let me explain Bitcoin. How can you make money with Bitcoin? Very simple. The current price of Bitcoin stands around 21K or 20K. Right, so if let's say you have $100 and you invest in Bitcoin at the price 21,000, and Bitcoin goes to let's say 22,000, 20,000, 4,000, what happens to your money? It increases. What if you invest in Bitcoin at the price 21,000? What's the mechanism? Right, so let's say if Bitcoin is at the price 21,000 and I invest in it with $100. And Bitcoin goes to, let's say, it goes lower than the price that I bought for, let's say, 18,000. What happens to my money? It decreases. So we are dealing with inflation. The only thing that you need to know about cryptocurrencies is one, you never lose your money. You have to wait. That's what Futurists said. For example, let's say I invested in Bitcoin at the price 60K last year or last 5 months. And Bitcoin now dropped from 60,000 to let's say 20,000 now. What do I have to wait? What do I have to do? I have to wait for Bitcoin to move from that 20K back to where I invested it. And the only disadvantage is no one knows when it's going to come back to that price. That's the only disadvantage. So in Bitcoin, you never lose. Cryptocurrencies, you never lose. All you need to do is you have to have patience to wait. Are we good? So it can be 60 years now done. It can be 100 years now done. And I want to say this, I advise that if you want to get into cryptocurrencies, the minimum amount of money that you should invest is $1,000. I wouldn't lie to you.
You give away 2 cows.
You don't worry, if your pocket isn't up to $1,000, I will break all of them down. You definitely find what will work for you. So don't worry about that. I was telling is it my peer that I came for those with even $10, $20. That those are the people that I came for. Insurance. Alright, so let's continue. So that's that about Bitcoin. There's more into it, altcoins and all those. That's where you can even invest $20 on all those stuff. But you need, big kind of coin market caps and all those. But we're not talking about that. Just understand it's this way. Bitcoin, the minimum amount that you need is $1,000. Why? Because if you're going to invest in it with $45, you're not going to see money. You're not going to see the results that you need. Problems keeps on coming, expenses keeps on coming. How long would you be in a Bitcoin trade for 5 years? 6 months? Are you guys getting my point? So the minimum amount is $1,000. Write it down. Now let's go to the next thing. Let's talk about Forex. Who is a Forex trader here? I just need one person. Come. Just one. No. You. Come. Quick one. You be racist here, then the speakers will do something small. I want to bless you guys. Yeah. I want to use the speakers to bless you guys. We were doing something in Sunyane. No, what did Kumasi? What is Sunyane? I think Sunyane. And don't Rebecca Salit. I say maybe Mambi. Boss. You be far more past me. Where do you make your home? Alright, so he's a Forex trader. So tell us briefly what Forex is and what pairs are under Forex. Briefly, in 10 seconds, yeah?
Basically, like foreign exchange. Like the full meaning of Forex is foreign exchange, and it simply means trading one country's currency pair against the other. So, like as it has now, the world is very big, and we have so many countries. So, anytime you take two countries and you cross them, you are going to get a pair of trading view. Yeah, so that's basically what Forex trade. The Forex exchange is just trading currencies all over the world. You pair this currency against this currency.
not done. Give us examples of Forex. So what he's basically saying is Forex is an acronym. So the full meaning is foreign exchange. Forex is an acronym. If you guys hear Forex, it's an acronym. Foreign exchange, that's the full meaning. And it says the word is big.
I'm saying so that they can have a wide idea of the pairs they can be able to trade. That in the sense that if they take this country's currency and pair it against this one, they're going to get a pair.
Okay, let me interpret that. What it means is the word is big. Each country has its own currencies, right? That they spend or use. So when we come to Forex, what we are basically doing is we are trading each country's currency. So just give us a few examples of Forex currencies that you know.
As in pairs.
Cities spends what? Just 5 examples. I just want people to get the idea of it.
We have the Japanese yen, the Euro USD, then New Zealand.
Just the currency. Okay. US Omudide.
US dollar.
Australia Omudide.
Australian dollar.
Russia Omudide.
I think rubles or something.
Good. So you guys get the whole idea about Forex now. So what we are doing is we are using countries. You have a proposal. Open Premier. You want to say something to them? Okay.
First, good evening, guys. My name is Forex Selassie, and I'm Elvis's mentee. He knows me very well. He knows my background. He literally knows everything about me. What I want to say is that I want to challenge myself, and I want to put a proposal in front of you guys. As in few years to come, I want to be on the same stage with Elvis touring around the world. So I'm saying this, please put the camera on, make sure you call this. I'm saying this in the sense that it is going to give me the motivation to put in the work to be able to be here with him. Just give me a few years and it's going to happen. Thank you very much.
Alright, in the Bible it says that say it and that it shall what? It shall what? It shall come to pass. I don't know what to say, seriously. I feel emotional. See me after the event. Okay, a little announcement.
Yes, we have someone's wallet down here.
Apia. Let's go.
Apia Kubi, Emmanuel, your Ghana card is inside too, so. Apia Kubi, Emmanuel. If it's yours, please, alright, so please come down.
Alright, so let's continue. Do you guys get something about cryptocurrencies now? Do you guys get something about Forex now? So what we do in Forex is we trade these currencies. So it could be cities, right? Nigeria, what do they spend? Good, I think you guys get it now. Now let's go to the next thing. Who is a stock trader here? Come. Any stock trader, come, quickly come. Go and sit down. Oh, I've been forgetting that those are the top. Next questions are coming to here, so get ready. Are you a stock trader? How long have you been trading?
Like from April to let's say roughly 4 months.
4 months trading. Okay, cool. So there are 2 types of stocks. Can you tell us what they are? The types.
Okay, so we have the core stocks, you understand, and then we have index. Now, please can I? Okay, so with the core stocks basically talks about companies, and these companies are having shares. So every company, let's say Google, Netflix, Tesla, Apple, they bring like their stock and they place on the market or a trading platform to speculate and tell future or fundamental analysis, you understand? And then we have also the index, you understand? The index basically talks about like stocks from companies. Let's say you have something US gets. It's basically 30 companies in US. You understand? Bringing together each stock to form one. We have SF500. That's 500 companies in US. You understand? We have GE30 or G40. That's 40 companies in Germany. You understand?
you did great. Yeah. Where were you in Kumasi?
Yes.
I remind me kind of. So you came to Kumasi when you are born.
Oh no. I knew this thing.
No, I'll still give you something. Give it up to him. I'll still give you something. Yeah. You want to talk more? Right. See me after the event. Yeah. God bless. Alright, so this is stocks. Hello. I'm a stock fundamental trader, right? When it comes to crypto, I leave it to futurists, gold and all those Nasdaq. I leave it to Nanayao, Kemaluta, Forex. I'm a stock guy. So this is what I want to do. We are going to use US30 to, learn. Now, quick one, in 50 minutes I should be done before the speakers do whatever they have to do when we close. We good. Yeah. Good. And they have sent a picture of the train. Alright, cool. So when we talk about stocks, they are divided into two. You can write.
Every day we hustle, I quad your phone, didn't hoop for myself. Every day we stacking money double.